سلام كبرات تعذبتنا زمدة كما كأنهم تحندانهم سلام كأنهم كتكونوا تسفع قبر ما لو مخ أحزنكم قريبا زالله مقبل مسرح يكونتن مقبل مفتانية أبدا حالفة جزية ناي مقبل ناي بحري تعيمنا نيرنا زي نفالت مقبل مالتيو بتعمل فتيهم حجها كوم مالتيو كالي مقبل ناي نيجيرياني قن أبيتو بزح سبيتو عما بطعمية نقو سب بزح سب بطعمية نقو ريح حجي كنت عمو مدقرنا لنا ريدوهنا لنا مساي كوينام كنت عمو تقبرات عايشة اللوني welcome كبرات الدمات
Hey man!
Hey!
سلام عندكم اللهم.
Hi, how are you guys?
أي تحزلهم
لا تونا تغلا تدارون.
Like anyhow.
عندكم
أنا جيبار بحال.
My name is Finan.
Also known as Fifi. Bad girl Fifi.
That's what he called.
No, bad girl.
good girl
Good girl Fifi. Okay, there you go. Good girl Fifi. لما أنت بس ماما جيبار لنا تريوا لهم Nigerian food أم تياتلنا تعموا إلا أنا تعيمي فتني Nigerian food تعيمي فتني Nigerian food
I have never.
So خلاتنا تعيمي فتنا لما أنت for the first time كنت تعموا Nigerian food so خلنا نقولكم من أنت همزة متنا.
We're eating Nigerian food, so we are gonna start off with the jollof rice, right? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
We got jollof rice.
Is it jollof rice bahal, Miss Chicken, plantain kalo?
Yes, and then we have the okra soup. It's
Okra
like
soup?
bamia.
Is it okra soup bahal? Kam bamia عينتي. Oui.
With-
definitely.
قامت الوانيا
And then this one is called, we're not familiar with this, called FLE soup. Don't, we're not sure what
Is it FLE bahal Nigerian? I don't know exactly بتقنيا بتقنيا.
Egusu soup.
Abamia مسوازين.
Yeah, but it's called egusu soup.
Egusu soup bahal.
And then we're gonna eat it with the fufu.
Fufu. Is it
Fufu,
fufu is
like-
bahal?
Kamga'a, right?
God, yeah. I guess.
Try.
I felt.
فوق تريها لها قعدت يزمسل
It looks like
Is it fufu
Play-Doh.
bahal ka? كم بقى
Kind of like
خمزي
Play-Doh.
حنباش مجلة كخمزي.
Yeah.
زباق
زباق حنباش هم يمثل.
And then we
ما ترش
have
دغاني.
our red snapper. It's our fish with plantain.
زيها fish miss plantain يا ترى لهم
عسا.
عسا
عسا.
مالتي.
عسا
ناي بات عسا مالتي.
Oh, then we have these, right?
نايبات عسا
إنك عايزها I don't know. Puff puff I
Oh,
think.
puff puff.
Puff puff poof
No,
poof.
we don't know. سقادين انتي
No, it's like bread.
I
It's
think
like
comes the-
deep fried or something.
كم مقليل مثلا.
كم مقليل مالت مقليها
Yeah.
خمسة سامبوسة عينت
هو.
Yeah.
إنك أني ما ترش دغاني تفضلهم ماما جيبار بون no.
سوا
ناي ماما جيبار سوا أمتينا لنا خسكرنا طاح نبغى نازيا دراستنا.
سوا قر حلمي عقد عم سوا تاني حنا
هو أنا لكم.
زيهم كبراتها قايشة زي أجرنا مجمريا سوبر جبار
شكل كورين تقول.
أجبروني إنه
Oh, you don't have to.
خرية رأيوه يعني
واو. كلا عينت.
مجمريا نقاشة أبعدنا مجمريا قاشة أيو كل نجار تتأنا قدو كل نجاسي نقاشة سيرفيس تقبر هجي نقاش قدمي غير حلو مالله رأيوه دس بالصراي سوا
This is my second time trying it. It's really good.
أبناتا لايفس حج قال أي جزء أطرحت تعمو زلا جن فتياته بطعم صبغي طعميلا لكن نجمر تشيز
Cheers.
تشيز
واو واو ترى شو بقى.
Oh, we can't forget about you guys. Cheers.
تشيز sorry
هاي.
أوه
Let's go.
Really money.
very good قلع عينك
It's on another level.
Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna start. I don't know where to start. أبي كنجمر أفاد كون زلخو. ماما جيبار أبي نجمر.
بين كم نجمر عساكو فوتي أنا
بدي أنا نجمر. أنا زبل.
بين نجمر
Yeah, you're supposed to grab the fufu first, like but with their hands. You grab it. Like, let me show you guys.
Bad girl FIFA طريقنا عم يكون زول لعز fufu.
جمري
It's
جمري.
my first time, but I've seen other
Yeah.
people, so I'm gonna show them. So we're gonna grab the fufu. You grab a piece.
I think you're supposed to slap it. I think it's a tradition
It
method.
looks like it.
Oh, yeah?
It's Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Let's do it, all of us, just before we eat.
Ooh, it's so sticky.
Yeah, and then you grab from the entree a little bit with the sauce. Grab some.
Grab some,
باكيت
Mama
أنت كم نخلو؟
No, use your hand.
هو قعدت عندنا قعدت على خمسة لك قعدت مالتي. Okay.
It's good. This one.
إيش؟
This is the fish.
Okay. This the bamia.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's really good. Spicy.
What's that?
What did you think?
Like slimy.
That's bamia. Bamia's slimy.
No, it's even better.
Oh yeah, this is like, it has no taste.
Yeah,
y'all.
it's like water.
It's right there.
So spicy.
It's very spicy.
This is very spicy.
كتريا spicy مسليني good. Spicy. إذا ولا عن تيستي يقولون أنا هم تصبحوا تيست أيرها كلن طعمي. ماي ولا عن تنطعمي ولا ذا قعد ذا فوفو تصفو.
Yeah.
Fufu.
Foot ولا يلا. Foot ولا يلا.
ولا فوفو. ولا عن تطعمي يقولون.
So we're gonna try it now with
Yeah,
the fish. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the fish.
It's spicy, but
I'm gonna try the fish too. Yeah, fish
Yeah.
كمان.
it's very good. Yeah. Yummy.
I recommend this one.
Yeah. قرب مرير مرتامي. Let me see with the fish.
I would say the okra with the fish soup, I would give this from 1 out of 10, I would give this a 9. I would order this again.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you guys think?
Honestly,
For
Yeah,
this one at least.
Me too.
You right?
This one, the fish one's good.
Yeah. You would order it again?
Yes.
Yeah, I would too.
But زقن ولا حنت أيرها كلن طعمي رها كلن زقن.
yeah, it's plain.
زي بينا order كجبرا خلي زي أجن ولا حنتي.
I wouldn't order this. Maybe with rice, or I would eat it with rice.
Yeah.
Or
بس رايس
injera.
بس رز بالطعم أنت زي تطعم لا زي عسى مس رز بالطعم طعمتي.
Damn girl, you fucking it up.
It's good, yeah. Okay,
Yes.
I'm gonna try this one.
The whole
Then we
thing.
should try
Okay.
this. Or actually, let's try Have you guys had a plantain before?
Yeah.
Plantain, have you
Okay.
had
طعمي بطعمي.
plantain?
Okay, next we're gonna try
Next.
chicken rice. Jollof rice mati is it?
Yeah, this is called Jollof rice. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but we're gonna try it.
Okay.
It's a very popular dish. We all need forks.
You don't eat it with this?
No, that you just eat with a fork.
Plantain قدم طعمه.
Okay, let's try the plantain first.
Okay.
Have you had
Okay.
plantain?
No. What is
I've had plantain. We'll see.
Danish mati?
No, it's like a bit sweet banana.
Oh.
Oh.
Banana?
It's banana.
Sweet.
Oh,
The
sweet
kind.
banana.
Say banana.
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 No, banana.
Banana.
Yeah.
Banana.
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 Yeah, banana.
Let's try it.
Try. أنا بتعمل طعم زدنا قريب. Good. Oh, I like it.
Tastes like potato.
Yeah. Kind of.
Danish
Yeah.
طعم.
Kind of.
Okay.
Yeah. بتعمل طعم زي banana.
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 Banana. Banana.
Banana.
Banana.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. بتعمل طعم فتينا ياكل لنا.
So far so good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's all
Chicken.
try the jollof
Rice فتنا.
Okay.
Rice كاحن فتنا هنا.
I
كمنا ماما جيبار رايس تقوينا تحلف فيها نزا كوينا ترف فيها.
Okay. I have a big old
No, زبالة كمنا يا ماما جيبار
1, 2, 3.
Try. Oh, I never tried. It's like kind smoke.
Yeah.
بتكي I'm sorry حمام مثلني.
It tastes like a little smoky.
Smoky.
Oh my, I could taste the smoke in my mouth.
Yeah.
Like يصير صراحة smoke على Yeah.
It's like it's Indian.
Yeah, you can smell the smoke a little bit.
No, but you didn't grab a big bite.
I think it's made with that gas.
No, if you get a big bite, you're gonna be too much.
እንታይ ገይሮም ምንታይ ተሰሪሑ
I don't know.
ኣነ ደልየ ኣለኹ
You think it's burnt maybe? They
No,
burned
I
it
think
in
that's
the
how it is.
bottom maybe of the pan?
No, I think
no
that's how it is.
something they add something
I think maybe the
No, this
It's
is
the kaman.
really
Yeah. It's
ኣነ
the
ዝፈልጠ
spice.
ብጣዕሚ ክፈልጠ ደልየ ኣለኹ ብጣዕሚ ቴስት ብጣዕሚ ጣዕሙ ሲ ዝተፈለየ ነገር ከምዚ ስሞክ ምስ ኣብ ኣፍካ ምስ ኣተወሲ ስሞክ ከምዚ
Yeah, you're supposed to cancel it out with the plantain. Sweet girl.
ስሞክ ኣለዎ ከምዚ ትክ
No.
ነገር ይስርስረካ
the others in the comments will let us know.
Yeah.
Let us know if you
Please,
guys
yeah.
had like a smoky aftertaste to it when you put it in your mouth, because that's
Yeah.
what we're getting out of it.
the rice yeah please
But other than that, it's good. If it didn't have
Please
that smoky,
comment.
Okay.
yeah
Now let's try the chicken.
if it didn't have the smoke, it would be good, right?
yeah
Yeah.
I'm
I would
gonna try
say
the
without
chicken.
the smoke, it would have been good.
I'm gonna try the chicken now.
yeah okay
Ready?
Yeah, you try the
You
chicken.
try.
I'm gonna try the chicken for y'all.
chicken normal كل ጊዜ ንበላ እዩ ግን ብውስተ ስለተሰርሐ maybe different sorry try
With
and
the-
no you don't like it no.
Yeah. I'm gonna try the fish.
okay yeah
50-50. I don't know.
Is
أنا
it spicy? Like,
No, just plain. أنا بزح خمس barbecue sauce اللي قلنا اللي high sauce. Yes, fatty chicken. ترى يقولون This is just. I think it's just plain for me.
ولا حنك يقولون
Yeah, maybe barbecue sauce dip قبل لني مثلاً.
okay
you
so
can
far,
do
yeah.
that for later.
Yeah. عسنا بعصيو.
عسانا يبقى
قلعنك مسليو.
حجي بوعي
This Nemo?
تساهمتي
نيمو دي خيكون داز. نيمو خيكون.
Finding Nemo.
Nemo or the toys
Dory. I think it's Dory.
I
Alright, so we're
Let's
gonna try.
try.
MamaGebar gonna start it first for us. Go ahead, MamaGebar.
okay you know
How do you eat a fish though?
if
كم يقعد ولا fish?
تفضلني يوم
I think بيتقعد ولا.
تفضلني يوم أسمن لو خامسلني oh
Yeah.
that's the whole fish you know
Yeah.
أسمن لو ور أيوة
ريما.
سنستقدر
من أصلا يكون أسمه مع كوري.
Yes, it's the back. The back. She this part.
بتعمل أسمن لو
يا ولون.
كنت انقع علنا هلا أسمن لو
Yeah, just eat it.
رأيوا أسمن لو بتعمل
Yeah.
ملتي فيشيو فيش كوينا نشتري فيش
It's
بمولو
like- It's the whole fish.
يا
أنا بطعمي فيش عرفتيني تصلي زمان زحمة بس على البحري. جاب فنانيو قلنا عقمي ده حتى يمين.
طعمي طعم I like
But
the
be
fish
careful the bone.
هو
No, this doesn't have one.
فيش كعب بطعم طعمتي أنا أخلي فيها له طعمتي
It's good. It just has no flavor.
Yeah.
يا
It's
هو
just missing flavor.
هو flavor
I think they forgot to put salt.
no flavor يقولون جن مالسي دحاني مع الكاس أيتقول فيها
Mhm. You can always like add to your own spices.
يا أنا
Oh,
موسى
this is
كلن
beef?
يا كمامات جن قرب لس كمامات كوينة
Try
Are you
that.
supposed to eat this?
Yeah.
Is it bone or what?
No.
Try
Try it.
Try chicken
Beef, right?
oh beef
Well, it's a bone.
No, just try with your hand. Eat it. You could tell which is which. Do it with this.
oh the dip
Dip it in and then like grab a piece.
I can't. It's a bone.
Okay, just figure it out and then. Or one or the other side. Is that an oxtail or something? Okay.
wow
It's like,
Oh, this is not a.
be
eh
careful.
careful كيتم ترن
See?
Okay, now start it now.
I'm not gonna
I
like
think that's beef. I
It's
think
beef.
goat. I'm not too sure. It's either beef or goat. What do you think?
what do you think good why what is that
ከምዚ ቁልዋ ቁርብ ዝጥዕም
Oh.
ከምዚ ዝነቐፀ ስጋ ናይ ኤርትራ ከምኡ ጥዕም ቁርብ
ከምዚ ዝነቐፀ
ያ ከምዚ ዝነቐፀ
ከምዚ ቋንጣ
ያ ከም ቋንጣ ጥዕም
ቋንጣ ተሰቂሉ ዝነቐፀ ኣብ ስልኪ ሰቂልካ ዘንቀጥቃይ ቋንጣ ከምኡ ይጠቕም ኢሉ እዚ ሱፐር ገባር
ያ
ያ
ግን I think ናተይ ፌቨሬት ግን ዝብል
ንስኻ ዝፈትኻ ያነት እያ
I think the jollof rice مثلا.
Really?
Yeah, it's good. I like rice, that's why.
I would say my favorite is the okra fish.
Oh.
This one is my second. it just doesn't have as much flavor. This is a no to me. The ifisu soup, I believe it's called.
Yeah. What about this one? You guys don't
That's
like
the pass. I prefer to eat it with rice.
it? Yeah, it's plain.
There's no flavor, like,
Yeah.
Nothing flavor.
and even when you add the flavor, you still it doesn't overtake. Like
Yeah.
the flavor doesn't.
ተጸቢኹም ነበርኩ ግለጽ ኣነ ተጸቢየ ዝነበርኩ እዚ ጋዓት ዝመስል እንታይ ኮይኑ ሕጂ ወላ ሓንቲ ጣዕሚ የብሉን ኣነ ተጸቢየ ነበርኩ ግን ናይ ድንሽ ተጣሓነ ፍላወር ብሕሩጭ ቁሩብ ተሓወሰ ኮይኑ ከምኡ ተጸቢየ ሕጂ ግን እንታይ ዓይነት ፍላወር እንታይ ዓይነት ሕሩጭ ኸማነይ ፈልጠይ ከኣልኩን ጣዕሚ እውን ወላ ሓንቲ የብሉን ማይ ወላ ጨው የብሉን ጨው ወላ የብሉን ወላ ሓንቲ ነገር የብሉን እንታይ እዩ እንታይ ናይ ገረብ ድዩ ናይ ሕሩጭ ድዩ ናይ እንታይ እዩ እንታይ ናይ ድንሽ ኣይኮነን
I think it's yams they said before.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, but ናይ ወላ ሓንቲ እዚ ኸኣኒ ኣይፈተኽዋን ተያዚያ
Yeah, beef.
The igusu soup.
እጉሱ ሱፕ ኣይፈተኽዋን እዚኣ ዓሳ ብጣዕሚ ጥዕምቲ እዚኣ ዓሳ በይና ኦርደር ጌርካ ምስ ሩዝ ክትበልዓ ብጣዕሚ ጥዕምቲ እዚኣ እንታይ ገይረልኩም ኣለኹ እዚኣ ብጣዕሚ ጥዕምቲ ንኣና ሓበሻ ፍላይ ከምዚ ስፓይስን ፈቲና ምርር ዝበለት እያ ምስ ሩዝ ከዓ ብጣዕሚ እያ ፅብቕቲ እንደገና ከዓ ዓሳ እያ ጥዕምቲ እዚኣ እውን እዚኣ ዓሳ ከኣኒ ፍሌቨር የብሉን ገለ ፍሌቨር ወስኻ ኣቢልካ ባዕልኻ ዓሳ እዩ ጥዕምቲ እያ ድሓን ግን ለስ ጣዕምሲ ስታይ ውሕድ ወሎ ወላ ናይ ጨው ወላ ጣዕሚ የብሉን እዚኣ እውን እዚ ሩዝ ከዓ ኣይፈተኽዎን ምክንያቱ ትክ ነገር ኣለዎ ከምዚ ዝስርስረካ ከምዚ ምስ በላዕኻያሲ ስሞክ ኣለዎ በቃ
أنا نسفتي خمس بالكم.
فتيخايو؟ بقى تصبغ نعاها أنا جن أي فتوهون أردرون أي مجاوركوان جن زي فتيها مسكلتي الله أبزي تشكنن أبزنا الله تي زبانانا.
Plantain.
بتعمي طعم فتيه بتعمي طعميو تشكن كأني دحانيو لس flavor بقى قودي لو ولا غرب.
Last one.
One more.
Yeah. And one more, they ta'amnayo. What is it?
Puff puff.
Puff puff?
Poof poof.
Poof poof.
It's like poof poof.
Poof poof.
Yeah, something like that.
We got poof poof right here.
We're
gonna find out.
Let's try. Oh my god.
It looks like a dumpling. I'm not too sure
Yeah, it looks like-
what it is.
Donut, Loki.
Yeah, it smells deep fried. It smells like dough.
Oh.
Is it
Look
sweet?
at.
I'm
Hey, yeah,
scared.
makli look at that.
Look at Maglili.
Yeah.
Oh, Maglili.
Oh my god, my mom used to make this for me all the time when I was
Yeah,
younger.
me too.
Yeah, my
Me
mom
too.
made me too. Oh my gosh.
زي صرحي أنا بعلي.
Oh my god, it's so good.
قرص جرام عب جرام ما قدر جرام ما خبي مغلي الجن استفعل على الصرحة استفعل على قرص جرام.
This is my favorite.
This one good. Yeah.
Eating up.
Mm-mm.
He's hungry, y'all. He's hungry.
I think he's hungry.
I think we should switch the plates.
Yeah.
Yeah, switch this way. Give me all that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Give me my jollof rice.
Chicken كركفال كذا.
No, I'm good. I like the rice more.
What is your least favorite?
Yeah.
We already said what's our favorite. You
Yeah.
أنا خبكولة نكفة تهوى.
كل استاج ورد.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What? ما بكلم مع أنتي أداري ناس نبرنا. إذا زرعكم معه Nigerian food. فاتيكم ما تكون خاتس فنقبل like, comment, share, subscribe. أيترسوا. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
أكرم كذي هنمتاكلنا.
Peace.